Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kenalkan, saya Profesor Dr. Deddy Purwana ES, dosen dari program studi pendidikan administrasi perkantoran Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Saya merupakan dosen pembimbing satu dari mahasiswa yang bernama Rika Noviana Mulia. Rika mengajukan atau membuat skripsi yang berjudul Pengaruh Pengetahuan Kewirausahaan dan Lingkungan Keluarga terhadap minat berwirausaha siswa kelas 11 di SMKN 10 Jakarta. Dan berikut adalah pemaparan penelitian tersebut. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rika Noviana Mulia from Education of Office Administration 2019, Faculty of Economics at State University of Jakarta. In this video, I will present my thesis proposal, and the title is The Influence of Entrepreneurial Knowledge and Family Environment on the Interest in Entrepreneurship of Class 11 students at 10 Vocational High School in Jakarta. In making this thesis proposal, I was guided by Profesor Dr. Deddy Purwana ES and Dr. Osli Usman Embus. This video was created to register for the proposal seminar sessions. First is background. Based on the data above, which has been reported by the Badan Pusat Statistik, the unemployment rate in 2020 to 2022 has decreased. However, the open unemployment rate for that year at every level, it was not that vocational high school graduates had the highest unemployment rate, even though it always decreased every year. In 2022, the number of unemployment from vocational high school graduates is 9.42, whereas vocational high school graduates should already have special skills provided by their schools, because vocational high school students are indeed formed to be ready to face the world of work. And the conclusion that we can do is, first, grow interest as well as increase motivation student for entrepreneurship, which give knowledge entrepreneurship, and environment family, which give support for student entrepreneurship. And the next is formulation of the problem. In this research, the formulation of the problem to be raised are, first, is knowledge entrepreneurship influence interest entrepreneurship student class 11 in SMK Negeri 10 Jakarta. The second is environment family influence interest entrepreneurship student class 11 in SMK Negeri 10 Jakarta. And the last one is knowledge entrepreneurship and environment family in a manner together influence interest entrepreneurship student class 11 in SMK Negeri 10 Jakarta. And the next is purposes of this research. First, to know and analyze influence knowledge entrepreneurship to interest entrepreneurship student class 11 in SMK Negeri 10 Jakarta. And the second is to know and analyze influence environment family to interest entrepreneurship student class 11 in SMK Negeri 10 Jakarta. And the last is to know and analyze influence knowledge entrepreneurship and environment family to interest entrepreneurship student class 11 in SMK Negeri 10 Jakarta. And the next is supporting theory. The first one, according to Sundari and Zuan in 2018, interest entrepreneurship is desire somebody and interest self somebody in work hard for fulfill his wish without afraid exist risk. And the second is according to Prayatno and Ali in 2020, knowledge entrepreneurship is totally from what is known about various information which arrange through processing in a manner rational and logical in operate indicator business. And the last one is according to Fabiola Gustetti and Ermawati in 2022, environment family is group smallest which there is in public and is environment first, which can give influence for development and aid in demand child. The next is theory of connecting between variable. The first one is research that has been conducted by Nawari Saragi, Saute Purba and Betniar Purba in 2022 entitled Influence Knowledge Entrepreneurship to Interest Entrepreneurship show that knowledge entrepreneurship influential, positive and significant to interest entrepreneurship. And the second is research that has been conducted by Fabiola, Yesi Gusteti and Eka Ermawati in 2022 entitled Influence Environment Family to Interest Entrepreneurship show that environment family influential, positive and significant to interest entrepreneurship. And the last one is research that has been conducted by Francis Mulia Cito, Sumarni and Filma Aliasari in 2022 entitled Influence Knowledge Entrepreneurship and Environment Family to Interest Entrepreneurship show that knowledge, entrepreneurship, and environment family influential, positive, and significant to interest entrepreneurship. The conceptual framework on this slide show that this research have three hypotheses, namely, first, entrepreneurship knowledge have an influence on entrepreneurial interest. The second, family environment have an influence on entrepreneurial interest. And the last one is entrepreneurship knowledge and family environment have an influence on entrepreneurial interest. And the next is research methodology. This research was conducted in 10 Vocational High School Jakarta, which is located in the Maijen Sutoyo, East Jakarta. This research was conducted from February to April. In this research, the method used quantitative method, and research get data verified from primary data. The population on this research is all students from classes 11 and came from 4 mayors at Vocational High School in Jakarta. And the sample of this research amount to 154 students. Data collection technique in this research is through a question raised that will be dismantling terrible Google Forms. The data analysis technique uses IBM SPSS or Statistical Package for Social Science, version 24, and there are several ways of testing. First, test condition analysis. Second, test assumption classic. Third, equality regression double. Fourth, test hypothesis. And the last one is analyze coefficient determination. To provide an overview of the research variable, the following is a description of the respondent provided by the researcher as follows. The graph shows the profile data of respondent based on class and gender. Based on the graph, it is known that the RPL Mayor dominated in filling out the researcher questionnaire, with 49 respondents or 30.2% of the total respondents. Then the AKL Mayor with 38 respondents or 23.5%, and OTKP Mayors with 34 respondents or 21%, and the last is BDP Mayor with 41 respondents or 25.3%. Furthermore, researcher provided data analyzed based on gender. Based on the graph, it is known that women dominate in filling out the research questionnaire with 100 respondents or 61.7%, while the remaining of 62 people or 38.3 were male respondents of the total respondent. To determine the validity index of the questionnaire, the product moment correlation formula was used with a 5% confidence level. A questionnaire is said to be valid if the significant value is more than 0.05, and if the significant value is 0.05, then the F equals n minus 2, or 162 minus 2 equals 160, and a R-table critical value of is 0.154 is obtained. Of the 12 statements, 2 of them were invalid, and the other 10 statements were declared valid because the total was greater than 0.154. Next is the validity test of variable x2. Out of 16 questions, all of them are declared valid because they are greater than 0.154. Next is the y variable validity test. All of the 16 questions are declared valid because it is greater than 0.154. Furthermore, the reliability test, all variables were declared reliable because they exceed the R table of 0.154. Based on the result of the normality test, the three variables are declared normally distributed because the calculation result with a significant level of 0.083 are greater than 0.05. There is a linear relationship between entrepreneurial knowledge and entrepreneurial interest. This is indicated by a significant value of 0.507 greater than 0.05. And there is a linear relationship between the family environment and the interest in entrepreneurship. This is indicated by a significant value of 0.161 greater than 0.05. The tolerance values x1 and x2 are both 0.850, which is greater than 0.10. Furthermore, the VIF values of variable x1 and x2 are both 1.177, which means less than 10.00. In other words, it can be concluded that the regression model doesn't have multicollinearity problems. The significance value of the entrepreneurial knowledge variable is 0.066 and the family environment variable is 0.262. These results indicate that in the regression model there is no heterogeneity problem in variable x1 and x2 because the significance value is greater than 0.05. If entrepreneurial knowledge and family environment have a value of 0, then the interest in entrepreneurship is 22.031. The x1 coefficient value is 0.347, which means that if entrepreneurial knowledge increases by 1 point, interest in entrepreneurship will also increase by 0.347 at a constant of 22.031, provided that the x2 coefficient value is constant. Based on the calculation results, the F-count value is 55.736, which is greater than 3.05 F-table. So it can be concluded that the variables of entrepreneurial knowledge and family environment simultaneously have a significant effect on the interest in entrepreneurship. Based on the calculation results, it is known that the T-count value of entrepreneurial knowledge is 3.266, which is greater than 1.975 T-table, and the T-count value of the family environment is 7.987, which is greater than the T-table 1.975. So hypothesis H0 is rejected and hypothesis H1 and H2 are accepted. It is known that the coefficient of determination, or R square, is 0.475. This figure implies that the variable knowledge of entrepreneurship and family environment simultaneously together influence the variable interest in entrepreneurship. Next is conclusion. Conclusion number 1 is H1 is accepted. There is a positive and significant direct effect between entrepreneurship knowledge and interest in entrepreneurship for class 11 student at SMKN 10 Jakarta. And the conclusion number 2 is H2 is accepted because there is a positive and significant direct influence between the family environment and the interest in entrepreneurship in class 11 students at SMKN 10 Jakarta. And the last is H3 is accepted because there is a direct positive and significant influence between entrepreneurship knowledge and family environment on interest in entrepreneurship for class 11 students at SMKN 10 Jakarta. And the last is research limitation and recommendation. In research limitation, first, the independent variable used in this study only uses 2 variables. Next is has limitation in distributing questionnaire. And last is the results of the research obtained are short-term. And the recommendation is using more variables that are considered to contribute more to increasing interest in entrepreneurship. And the researcher hopes that the further research can improve the indicator used. And that's all the explanations about my thesis proposal. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.